Hi guys, what is contempt in a relationship? Well, contempt is a feeling of disdain and a lack of respect toward a partner. It often manifests itself in mocking, ridiculing, sarcasm, belittling remarks, eye rolling, things like that, having a critical attitude, maybe constantly looking for faults, being condescending, even emotionally withdrawing, shutting down, not talking, ignoring a partner, dismissing their feelings. Contempt can be a particularly damaging aspect to a relationship because it erodes trust, emotional safety, and intimacy. And it's often one of the strongest predictors of a relationship breakdown. And what you want to do is figure out, well, what is the underlying unresolved issue that I have here? Usually when there's a lot of contempt, one or both partners feel unseen or unheard, and there's an unresolved issue that continues to exist. So I would personally reflect on what that is for you. Get your words together, put it in a nice, precise approach, and then address it with your partner. Bring it up to them in a very respectful way where you kind of like bullet point what it is that's bothering you. Really practice gratitude and focus on the good things in the relationship. What can you focus on that's going well? What qualities and behaviors do they have that are actually beneficial to the relationship? And focus on those and take the focus off of the magnifying the faulty parts of the person or the relationship. Communicate really, really clearly, like I said before, and be honest, be vulnerable. Going to therapy can help too, because you'll have someone that it can facilitate the conversation and can see blind spots that you can't see, and then help you communicate in a controlled manner. A lot of times couples are likely to kind of regulate their emotions in therapy because they know that it's going to be safe. Someone's there to witness it. So that might be very helpful. And the last thing you can do is celebrate any progress that you have. Really focus on the small victories in your communication. If you had one moment of clarity, really emphasize that and acknowledge that, and give the other person credit for their efforts, because what we want to do is kind of like bridge towards an understanding. And if you can celebrate the little wins, then the other person is more likely to continue the journey with you versus separating. Okay, so overcoming contempt takes some time, so be patient with it. It takes effort and commitment by both partners. If one partner is not committing, I wouldn't necessarily feel safe being vulnerable here. So keep that in mind, use your common sense. But if you both commit to it, you can really work to get this under control in a reasonable amount of time. It's not necessarily quick, but with effort, change takes some time. So I hope that helps you. I hope it brings value to you. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.